Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the can't edit enable safe mode issue in Elementor. If you're experiencing problems editing your pages in Elementor, enabling safe mode can help identify conflicts with themes or plugins that might be causing the issue. Let's walk through the steps to get this sorted out. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your admin area where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar menu where you'll find all your WordPress options neatly organized. From here, locate and click on Elementor to expand its options. This will reveal several submenus related to Elementor's various features and settings. Next, from the expanded Elementor menu, click on Tools. This section houses important utilities and diagnostic features that help you troubleshoot and maintain your Elementor installation. The Tools page is specifically designed to give you access to features that can resolve common issues you might encounter while building your site. Once you're on the Elementor Tools page, scroll down until you find the Safe Mode section. Safe Mode is a powerful diagnostic tool that temporarily disables your active theme and plugins, allowing only Elementor and WordPress core functionality to run. This helps you determine whether a conflict with your theme or a plugin is preventing you from editing your pages properly. In the Safe Mode section, you'll see a button or toggle labeled Enable. Click this to activate Safe Mode. When enabled, this feature creates a clean editing environment by bypassing potential conflicts, making it easier to identify what's causing your editing problems. It's important to note that Safe Mode only affects the Elementor editor interface and won't change how your site appears to visitors. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button to apply the setting. This ensures that Safe Mode is properly activated and ready to help you edit your pages without interference. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Safe Mode in Elementor, which should resolve your editing issues by isolating any conflicts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.